can you enlighten me on your message to white people? Like, what is your message to white people, and what can white people do to help on the Black Lives Matter and racial injustice issue?
So, kind of, this is your problem too. You are equally as responsible for the perpetration and the progress that this nation has had to where we're at now. You may not realize it, but speaking out against, seeing racism live, when one of your friends in your friend group says the N-word in the song, not being quiet and be like, oh, he's just kidding. No, he's actually standing up for the black friend in your friend group. That's part of it. And I think that message is lost amongst this generation because they just think, oh, he's just joking, stop being soft. But no, like, standing up against that is what you have to do. And another key aspect of it is, educate yourself. Learn what it's like. Ask your friends, what's it like being a black man in America? What do you go through that I don't go through? And, get this notion that white privilege doesn't exist. Remove it, because it does. The fact that you don't have to worry about being pulled over by a police officer and you can cry and get out of a ticket, but I don't get to cry because I have to, respect the officer so that I walk away with my life. That in itself is white privilege. And, educate yourself. Understand what it's like, and then educate other white people, because it's hard for a white person to hear a black person and think, oh, he's just a black person just talking. It's just another one of the angry black men. No, as a white person, educate other people, because they won't listen to us. They haven't listened to us for as long as this country's been alive. So if they listen to other white people, then they'll understand.